everyone, it's Julia-Elise. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Julia and I make videos here on the internet, obviously. And I would love it so very much if you stuck around by subscribing. I post new videos every single week and I have the best family here on the internet. I know every creator says that, but also want to point out, sorry for my appearance, just got home from work. So today I am doing my first ever mystery unboxing. I've seen these circulating around the internet and I've been dying to do one, so I'm actually really excited because today's video is sponsored by Flamingo and they sent me a mystery box to unbox for you guys. Now, Flamingo is a new shop, relatively new. They've been around for about 3 months and they just wanted me to kind of do a review. Their whole motto is high quality and low price, so I'm really super pumped to see what they sent me. I literally don't know if it's makeup, if it's jewelry, if it's technology. No idea. It's a mystery. So I got my scissors here and I'm about to unbox the box, but if you see anything in this box that you're interested in, you can use the code 30JULIA to get 30% off of your first order, which is, you know, we love a bargain here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys close-ups of all these products, but first and foremost, I see these mermaid brushes. Oh my gosh. These are oh my god. These are amazing. And again, I'll give you guys a close-up and I'll also include the prices if I can find them. I'm gonna ask them to send me the prices of all these things, but oh my god, these are so beautiful. They literally have every single brush you could ever need with purple and mermaids. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the next thing they sent me is this phone case with a pop socket that is bedazzled. I don't know if this will fit my phone because I have an old iPhone. Oh no, I think it will. So they sent me this super cute with a bumper phone case. I think it's for an iPhone 7, but it will also fit an iPhone 6S. And this beautiful rhinestone pop socket. I get, like, all of this stuff is so me. I'm obsessed. So that's adorable. I love that. Next, they sent me a beauty blender looking sponge. Now I have to fill this for myself because we got a lot of beauty blender imposters out there. So I'll be the one to judge if this is legit, but it looks really, really nice. This feels just like the Real Technique sponge. I'll have to give you guys an update on this. I will do it tomorrow or like the next day and give you guys an update. But that is so pretty. I love the pink. So the next thing I believe is a beauty blender holder. I might be crazy. It could just be like a decorative little piece, but I think this is a beauty blender holder. It might not be, but I'm living. So the next item I'm seeing here is a brush egg, and I'm not sure what a brush egg is, but I think it just cleans your brushes. That is really cool, and yeah. Okay, so I see this really big thing. Oh my god! It's a mug! And it's a marble pink mug that says her on it. Her, me. Cheers! Ooh. Whoa! So I got another phone case and this one has glitter that is going up and down, and again I'll give you guys a close-up, but holy moly, you guys. This is so sparkly and it has a flamingo on it because the shop's name is Flamingo. Speaking of flamingos, they sent me this adorable flamingo print lanyard, I believe. Oh, it's for your phone. That is awesome, and I really love this print. I think it's so summery and adorable, and I know it's fall, but I'm gonna have to play around with this to figure out what's going on with this thing, but very, very cute. Ooh, looks like we got a clothing item. Oh my word! So the next thing they sent me are some black workout leggings. I was in desperate need of them. They look super high-waisted and they are just like this really nice dry fit material and have crisscrossing. I will totes try these on for you guys, but I am like so beyond excited right now about all this stuff. The final item that's in this box is this mermaid contour brush. So it looks so cute with the other mermaid set, but it's literally just for your cheeks. And it is so cute. I can't actually figure out how to get it. Oh, it has like a fancy case. Guys, this is so freaking soft. Well, okay, you guys, so that is it for my first ever mystery unboxing. Thank you so much, Flamingo, for sponsoring this video. I am like so obsessed. This stuff is so cute, and I'm definitely gonna be ordering some stuff off this site using my own code to get some deals for Christmas and Hanukkah and stocking stuffers. This stuff is perfect for the holidays, so this video could not come in better time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want me to do more mystery unboxings like on Amazon or anything like that, or Wish, be sure to let me know. I love y'all so much, and I hope you have a great day, an even better week, and I'll catch up with y'all later.
Just keep on doing